Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that affects all of us, whether we realize it or not: tax reformation in Indonesia. My name is Rizka Pramada Putri with NPM 224111043 from University Technocrat Indonesian. Taxes are the main source of income for our government, and tax reformation means making changes to improve how taxes are collected and managed. 1. What is tax reformation? Tax reformation is the process of changing and improving the tax system to make it fairer, more efficient, and more transparent. In Indonesia, tax reforms are carried out to ensure that every citizen and business contributes fairly, while also adapting to changes in the economy. 2. Why does Indonesia need tax reformation? There are several reasons. First, our economy has changed, with more online businesses, international trade, and new industries. Second, the government needs more funds for development, such as roads, schools, and hospitals. Third, to close tax loopholes that allow tax evasion. And finally, to ensure fairness between small taxpayers and large corporations. 3. Recent steps in tax reformation. Some of the key reforms include: increasing the value-added tax, VAT, from 10% to 11% in 2022. Adjusting personal income tax brackets to make them fairer. Introducing digital taxes for online services like Netflix, Spotify, and e-commerce. Giving tax incentives for investment in renewable energy and other strategic sectors. 4. Challenges. Tax reformation is not easy. The main challenges are: public resistance to higher taxes, businesses adapting to new rules, making sure that tax money is used effectively so that people trust the system. 5. Benefits if successful. If done correctly, tax reformation will bring better public services, fairer distribution of the tax burden, more investment in infrastructure, stronger economic growth. In conclusion, tax reformation is not just a policy, but a step toward a better future. When we pay taxes fairly, and when the government manages them responsibly, everyone benefits. Thank you for watching, and let's move to our next topic. 1. Definition of tax. A tax is a mandatory contribution from citizens or businesses to the government, based on laws, without direct reward, and used to fund public needs. For example, the money we pay for income tax is used for roads, education, and healthcare. 2. Types of tax. In Indonesia, we can classify taxes into several types. 1. Based on the collection authority. Central taxes, collected by the central government, like income tax, PPH, and VAT. Local taxes, collected by local governments, like vehicle tax and hotel tax. 2. Based on who bears the burden. Direct taxes, paid directly by the taxpayer, such as income tax. Indirect taxes, paid by another party, such as VAT paid by consumers through sellers. 3. Based on the object. Taxes on income, taxes on goods and services, and taxes on wealth. 3. Elements of tax. There are three main elements in taxation. Subject of tax, the person or entity who must pay tax. Object of tax, the income, goods, or transactions that are taxed. Tax rate, the percentage or amount that must be paid. So, taxes are not just about paying money, they are part of a system that supports the entire nation. By understanding the types and elements of tax, we can be more aware of our responsibilities and rights as citizens. Our third topic is about taxpayer rights and obligations, and the difference between tax and retribution. This is important because paying taxes is not just an obligation, but it also comes with rights. 1. Taxpayer rights. As a taxpayer in Indonesia, you have the right to get clear information about tax laws. Receive fair treatment from tax officers. In the end, tax reformation is not just about changing laws or adjusting numbers, it's about shaping the society we want to live in. A fair, transparent, and modern tax system is the foundation of strong schools, reliable healthcare, clean environments, and thriving economies. It requires courage from leaders, cooperation between nations, and trust from the people. If we are willing to adapt, innovate, and commit to fairness, tax reformation can be the bridge that carries us toward a future where prosperity is shared, and progress is sustainable for generations to come. Because when taxes work for everyone, society works for everyone.